Garmin appears to be gearing up for the launch of the Instinct 3 smartwatch. A version of the device was recently spotted on a support page on the brand's website, which listed repair costs for various products. The leak confirms that, like the previous Instinct 2 series, the Instinct 3 will also feature a solar charging version. Rumors about Garmin's upcoming wearable began circulating in July, when images of the alleged Instinct 3 surfaced on Telegram. However, these images are thought to be at least partially, if not entirely, fake. Recently, the Instinct 3 Solar was spotted on Garmin's Spanish website by Fitness Tracker Test. The smartwatch appeared on a support page listing repair costs for various Garmin devices. A 45mm black version, identified by model number 010-02934-00, was listed with a repair cost of €133.33. For comparison, the older Instinct 2 Solar carries a repair cost of €128.57, which might hint at a higher retail price for the new model. The Instinct 2 Solar 45mm, typically priced at $449.99, is currently discounted to $348 on Amazon. Based on the leak, it's unclear whether the Instinct 3 will be available in the same three sizes as its predecessor: 40mm, 45mm, and 50mm. Solar and non-solar options, as well as a variety of colors, are likely, though nothing has been confirmed. The Garmin Instinct 3 has surfaced in yet another leak, following recent confirmation of a solar charging option on a support page. This time, Garmin itself has hinted at the smartwatch's imminent release, adding to speculation about its upcoming launch. The Garmin Instinct 3 has now been spotted on Garmin's Hungarian website, though not as a full product listing. Instead, the device appeared as a sponsored Google post, seemingly an error. Unfortunately, this means detailed information about the smartwatch remains scarce. Interestingly, a reverse search of the linked device points to the Enduro 2 rather than the Instinct 3. Despite this mix-up, it's evident that the Instinct 3 is real and likely nearing release. The accompanying text hints at starting the new year with a new watch, suggesting a possible early 2025 launch. Whether this aligns with the 2-month timeline proposed by Gadgets and Wearables is still uncertain. The Garmin Instinct 3 is shaping up to be an exciting addition to Garmin's smartwatch lineup, with leaks and rumors painting a picture of a rugged wearable with enhanced features, including solar charging. While official details are still limited, the multiple sightings and hints suggest that its launch could be just around the corner, potentially in early 2025. Whether it will match or surpass the versatility of its predecessor remains to be seen, but the buzz around it is undeniable. What do you think about the Garmin Instinct 3? Are you excited about the rumored features or hoping for specific upgrades? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update and want to stay informed about the latest tech news, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Sharing this video with fellow tech enthusiasts would mean a lot too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.